Hey, what's up, Digibyte coin holder? What's going on this time? You can see here the condition is very critical now, and everything is going very bad now. So, what's my advice? What's my opinion? What's my prediction? And what's my friends? The huge pump is coming soon, or they were fades down more and more. Everything I'm going to share now, my friend. But please, if you are new my channel, first of all, subscribe this channel, and after that, press the bell icon for videos notification. My friend, if you check out the last 1 month chart, so minus 15.45% they are lost. This is the total average. So I think it's really bad news, my friend, for a long time investor, but not for a short time investor. Yes, my brother, this is really bad news, but don't worry, my friend. I hope at the end of month every coin will pumps up and they will recover all the loss. So if they just only, my friends, come out here, the price will come out here now. So I hope they will recover all the lost, and absolutely the condition is going very good now. But can there is a chance that they will pumps up or not, my brother? For that, we will need to check out the last 24-hour chart. Minus, you can see a plus 4.46%. You can see here this time the Digibyte price will pumps up, and definitely it's going very good now, because from there you can see here the price is increasing. So congratulations, my friend. Today the price will just only get a 4% profit. So I hope, my friends, to tomorrow they will get 8% profit, and the price will pumps up, my friend, at the end of this month 0.1 USD dollar to 1.0.2 USD dollar. So therefore it's a really big chance, my brothers, for all holders to they will get a profit. Please don't miss this chance. Take a risk, and yes, my brothers, get 100% profit. My prediction is 100% going positive. Please try to understand, holders, hold down and don't starting selling. I hope, my friends, they will recover all the loss and they will give you a double profit. So laugh is take care. See you next time.